Hey there, I'm Dan Mikic, and if you are here, chances you are looking for a way to boost your skills with one of the most powerful tools in Agile, user stories. Now, you might be thinking writing user stories as simple as jotting down a sentence or two, but here is the thing, just knowing the format isn't enough. Truly effective user stories bridge the gap between user needs and business goals, ensuring that what's delivered hits the mark every time. In this course, we'll dive deep. We will start with the basics. I'll show you how to master the art of writing user stories with empathy, precision, and purpose. It's not just about what the user wants, it's about what they need and how you, as a product owner and developer, can deliver it flawlessly. In section 1, we'll lay out a rock-solid foundation. You will learn how to craft user stories that are clear, actionable, and aligned with the real user needs. I will also show you how AI can speed up your process while maintaining accuracy. In section 2, we'll move to the next level, balancing your day-to-day tasks with writing effective user stories. You will master job stories, story maps, and even technical stories, keeping everything streamlined and focused. In section 3, we'll take on real-world scenarios. You will learn how to handle infrastructure and security within your user stories and how to transform technical requirements into user stories that resonate with everyone on the team, from developers to stakeholders. But it doesn't stop there. This course will also teach you when not to use user stories. Yes, there are times when user stories can actually slow you down, and I will guide you through those moments. And to make sure you will leave this course not just with knowledge, but with actionable tools, I've included free templates and quizzes that will help you practice and perfect your skills. So whether you are a product owner, Scrum Master, developer, or someone deeply involved in the product development, mastering user stories is going to take you to the next level. So why wait? Click Enroll now and let's start transforming the way you approach user stories. I'll see you inside.